All right, folks, good morning. This is Marcel again. This is Amtrak 727, the Capital Corridor train. He is going to San Jose Diridon Station. Here it comes. A Siemens Charger SC44 leading off. Oh, it is 2103, the KJ and David Jones fan. All right, folks, once again, 727 on its way to San Jose. Alongside with 8314 Mount Pino. Alright folks, this is Amtrak 727 now arriving at Oakland at London Square. Alright you guys, this is Amtrak 727 highballing at Oakland at London Square Station. 2103, that's the Siemens Charger leading on this one, alongside with David Jones Cat Cart, 8314 Mount Pinos. This is the David Jones and KJ set right now, 2103 and 8314. Good double two horn by 2103. And here we go. Alright folks, that train is headed southbound to San Jose. Heads up to David Jones, which is his own. Heads up to David Jones, which is he's on 724. That train is going your direction. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Enjoy your Saturday morning.